Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 67 Reg 420i M Sport Gran Coupe in Estrel Blue. The vehicle is of course a facelift, as you can see by the facelift headlights there. We've also added a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, as well as a set of brand new 20-inch 795M Mperformance style alloys in ferric grey. Down the side you can see again how clean and tidy this 4 Series Gran Coupe is, alongside the BMW gloss black air breathers, matching sidebars, YNC Mperformance decals, and of course the satin side vinyls. Inside the vehicle we've got a full black Dakota leather, which comes with the electric lumbar and heated seat options, alongside the magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. For rear passengers you'll find a very spacious and comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench there, with a central folding armrest and the darkened M Sport headlining. Again, all in great condition and has been very well looked after. Round at the back of the car, again showing you off those fantastic brand new 20-inch wheels. We've also opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser on this car, and as you can see again those wonderful facelifted rear LED tail lights. It's an automatic opening and closing tailgate of course, where there you can see it reveals a very large boot, split folding seats and removable top and bottom parcel shelves. Round at the driver's side, once again everything is lovely and clean and tidy, and the two colours of course of the YNC Mperformance and those 20-inch wheels really do work very well with the Estrel Blue. Moving on inside the car now, we're going to go through and just show you a couple of the features and functions, and of course start that wonderful 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine up. DAB of course, as well as a wide array of other multimedia options. We've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. A really user-friendly system in terms of the sat-nav, which also utilises real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on that fastest route possible. There is nothing worse than a sat-nav system that's far too overly complicated, something that other manufacturers have never been able to get right. In terms of other things, we've got the Connected Drive Plus, which gives you access to online search, news and weather apps, all powered via Google. A great way to ensure you're connected whilst out and about, and you can of course search for things remotely, and of course it means you don't have to pull over to use your mobile devices safely. We've got down here dual climate controls with switches for our heated seats. It's covered just over 35,000 miles, as you can see there on screen. We'll quickly go through and show you the service requirements and service history of the car. The next oil service is due in just under 2,000 miles, so we will of course be shortly servicing the car. It has got one service stamp from BMW, however, of course that was its first service. So thank you all for taking the time to watch one of our walk-arounds. We do of course really appreciate it and hope you found it useful. If you would like some more information on the vehicle, all you have to do is simply follow the links I'll leave for you in the description. From there, that'll take you through to our website. You can view all of the prices and funding options available for not only this wonderful 4 Series, we have got a huge amount of varied and all in stock ready to go vehicles for you. Take care, thank you all very much, and bye bye.